morning, guys. Good morning. So, yeah, guys, as you can see, it is raining outside. It is cold. It's just that vibe, you know what I'm saying? So, today I decided to start the day on a positive note. I did some exercise, glutes and legs today. So, we're doing glutes and legs today. And yeah, guys, I don't honestly know the name of the exercises that I did, but I did them and I felt good after that. So, yeah, guys, enjoy my gym session. Okay, guys, disclaimer, I know I'm wearing two different kinds of socks. Please do not judge me. I couldn't find the other sock, so I had to do something in order to stay in my schedule and find some socks that I'll wear and gym with that socks. Okay, so please do not judge me. I know it is very wrong. It is very wrong, guys. Put your things in order and don't be like me, okay? Put your things in order so you can wear the same socks and not different types of socks. So yeah, please don't judge me. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. After my gym session, I took a bath, a hot bath, and I put bath salt in the water just to make the water, nice, and then I also put Savlon in the water. As you can see, the water is orange. So yeah, and after that I ate some breakfast, which is cornflakes. I ate some cornflakes, and yeah, that's my breakfast. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you've seen by the title of the video, I'll be doing a rainy day in my life. So today is Saturday, the 18th of February, And yeah, guys, it is pouring, it is raining outside. We literally cannot do anything, but I'll get back to that. Before we continue with this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment down below with any of these 5 emojis so you can get a shout out next video. So this video shout out goes to this subscriber right here. Thank you so much for commenting down below, liking my videos, and subscribing. So guys, without further ado, let's get back into this. So guys, as you have seen, I have started my morning with a quick workout. Today I was doing legs and glutes. So yeah, and your girl after that went to go bath. I went to go bath. After that, then I ate my breakfast, which is cornflakes. So after that, guys, after that, I went straight to bed because I was so tired. I woke up very early for nothing. Reason being, I was supposed to go and play a match at Madadeni today, and they cancelled the match due to the weather and raining, and it's just bad, guys. It is bad. Newcastle is underwater, literally underwater. So yeah, our rivers are flooded, our bridges are flooded with water. We cannot pass through to go to Madadeni. There's another route, but due to the rain, now there's potholes, and it's bad, guys. It is really bad. So please pray for Newcastle, pray for South Africa, pray for the whole world, because not only South Africa or Newcastle, because in Natal is underwater, but other parts of the world are underwater, literally underwater. We are much better, guys, much better. So pray for the world, guys. Pray for the world. It is bad. It is bad, okay? Very bad. Before we continue with this video, I just wanted to say that I'm okay. I am awake. I'm just waiting for our order. My mother ordered food, so I'm waiting for my order, for the delivery guy to come. Then after receiving after receiving my order at the gate, I will come back and I will put my washing in the washing machine. Okay, I'm awake and it's time to get productive. Okay, it's time to get productive. Then after that, I will go and do my homework, then probably start studying, because on Tuesday I'm writing 2 tests, maths and history. So I need to study. On Sunday, I will study too. I don't want any homework on Sunday, so I want to do all my homework and finish my homework today. So tomorrow I can go to church, praise the Lord, come back, study on Monday again, and Tuesday I'm writing, and I'm all prepared, okay? Your girl is serious. This year, very serious. Those who just joined the Queen's Club, your girl is in grade 10, and yeah, I chose Maths Lit, History, Business Studies, and Life Science. Reason being, I want to do law, and with these subjects, especially business studies and obviously English is Zulu and Afrikaans, and LO is compulsory, so they didn't add it to the lists of subjects that you can choose. The reason why I chose Maths Lit, History, and Business Studies, except Life Science, but these 3, is because when you do law, they recommended to choose those subjects. So I did, and yeah. If you don't know, some universities take you with Maths Lit instead of pure maths for law. So yeah, I chose those subjects and I'm doing those subjects, and so far I'm understanding every concept, every topic that we're doing in every subject. So hopefully throughout the year it will be the same thing, okay? Throughout the year I'll understand everything that we're talking about in every subject, okay? But anyways, let me go and fetch the order, and then we'll come back and chat. We will come back and be productive, okay? We will come back and be productive. But for now, as we're waiting for the order, I'm gonna watch a movie. Okay, I'm gonna watch a movie because the weather is nice, and you know So let me watch a movie.